Hey you guys, what's up? So today, oh my gosh, we got a special package, a very amazing, special, beautiful collection that I want to share with you guys. And that is the Wet n Wild Marilyn Monroe collection. I am freaking out. This collection is gorgeous. Stay tuned so you can see what's inside. All right, so opening up the Wet n Wild Marilyn Monroe collection, it looks a little something like this. So beautiful. It says Wet n Wild, Imperfection is Beauty, Marilyn Monroe. It has a beautiful picture of her at the top. And this collection is just full of Marilyn Monroe goodies. All right, so starting us off in this collection, we have a translucent luminous setting powder, and that does come with a cute little powder puff. How adorable is that? And every item in this collection has the Wet n Wild logo as well as her signature with the adorable little flowers. We have a red lip liner as well as a red lip gloss, super iconic. We have two eyeliners in this collection. One is white and one is brown. Next, we have a lip balm and a red lipstick. We have a beautiful blush, loving this packaging, and two highlighters, plus 3 little powder puffs for each of those. So super cute. We have a little angled powder brush here, loving the wand on that, as well as a Bare Focus clarifying finishing powder. We have some of the Big Papa mascara, as well as a brow and lash mascara. We have an adorable little red headband, a dual-ended liquid liner. Let's see what this looks like. So one end looks like that, and the other end is just a even sharper version. And an eyeshadow brush that goes with this adorable little neutral classic eyeshadow palette. So without further ado, let's use the Wet n Wild Marilyn Monroe collection to create a look. So this is the translucent luminous powder, and this is going to give us a luminous kind of look. Taking the blush, this is in the shade Rose, and just using one of those powder puffs and applying this blush to my cheeks. I am taking both highlighters. This one is called Peachy Pink. This one is called Cool Champagne. I'm kind of mixing those two together and applying them to my face using one of these cute little powder puffs. All right, so now I'm going to use the little Marilyn Monroe eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna create a look. All right, so now I'm going to use both the eyeliners, the white and the brown, and I'm going to line my eyes. Giving myself that iconic Marilyn wing. All right, so now I'm taking the Big Papa mascara, and we're just going to give our lashes a nice little coat. All right, so I am lining my lips using the red liner in this collection, and then I'm gonna go over top with the red lipstick. So So I'm going to add lashes to the outer portion of my eye just because a lot of the time that's what Marilyn did. And I kind of want this look to look like something she would have done with a modern twist. So yeah, we're just going to apply some lashes to the outer portion of our eye. And then I will show you what the final look looks like. All right, so here is the final look using the Marilyn Monroe Wet n Wild collection. So since I decided to go with like a Marilyn theme, now we're going to add my own personal little touch on it and do some eye art. So yeah, stay tuned and I will show you guys the final look for that. And here's the final Marilyn Monroe eye art. I just want to say a big thank you to Wet n Wild for sending me this amazing collection to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.